Welcome to a new series of Darkest Secret. New Jamaican Movie 2023. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss.
Honey, I was thinking about what happened with our son, And that we start off very bad. Because it's serious business, It's a serious matter,
That me I tell you from a long time.
Yes, but remember that you were saying that he should go up there to defend his child. And that wasn't the right way to go about it. And it's a serious matter, this. And we have to, I was saying that get me out of it, which that is the wrong thing to say as well, because he's my son. And when anything happen, I have to be the one up and down, me and you. Because everybody know that is our child.
That's true with my wife, but the way how my son come to me and tell me the situation. I never did that think at the moment, but now I really realize what really take place and what go transpire from henceforth.
Yes, because when you look into it, it is unfair to the man Jeremiah, Because to know that he go to prison and spend such a long year, and know that he come out and think that he get his girlfriend pregnant, and maybe the child is for our son. Honey, how you think he's going to feel about that?
Honey, me never look into it that way then.
He's going to feel bad.
And look here, honey, say him can hurt with son?
Yes, and not only that he can hurt our son. What if our son can go up there and put himself in a trouble? And it's him go there in a man relationship because he didn't know that they were together. So he should never find himself there.
Honey, you talk now and me I look deeper in a situation, And me give him strength to go up there too, because me tell him say me would have follow him go up there too,
And you say anything him want do him fi do it and you will defend him. It's something bad, honey. And I couldn't be pleased with that. Because you need to put yourself in Jeremiah's shoes. How would you feel if one young boy come claim your woman and you and him coming from far?
It would be war.
Well, that's the same way he's going to feel, honey. And we need to think very wide about this, because what happened now, What if the child is our son picnic? What is going to happen? How we are going to go about that? And him so hearted.
Well, he must to get a work and take care of the picnic.
Precisely.
Right?
Precisely.
But on the other hand, what are going to take place with Jeremiah when he find out, say, I no feel picnic?
Honey, I don't know when it boils down to that.
Remember, say Jeremiah just coming from prison, and him can hurt with child and go back to prison because he not have nothing again for say him a live for. And
I can imagine how him feel about that child. How him excited and all of that. I don't know what is wrong with that young girl, How she put herself in that? It's a sticky situation, honey.
Exactly, my wife. Exactly.
So what we are going to do about it? Because when you know that this is not going to be a secret for long. Because nothing hidden for too long, especially in this time and season. Anything at all you see people hiding. You notice that in no time it get naked. Everybody see clear as it is.
Well, my wife, the best thing, is to sit down with both Jeremiah and the girl and break the secret.
You are going to do that?
Yes.
Why would you want to go up there and break secret with girl? And you can't do that. That is not your responsibility to go up there and open it out.
So what do you think?
All we have to do is just sit down and wait, and anything happen, we just prepare ourselves that in case if a war or anything, we just go up there humble.
So what we have to do? Wait until the baby born and do a DNA?
If I saw it go, and if him find out. And you see our son now, him well want picnic, me don't know what is wrong with him. Picnic fly up in him head, but him gone defend baby. The child no must be his either,
Exactly. So me don't know how him so hot-head.
Nobody talk about you don't know how him so hot-head. Nobody talk that. Because you were the one encouraging him.
I truth on you and me are the cause.
You are the cause because if you are the father and him come to you and don't blaze up, say him going up, they go defend Pitney and you don't say, go on, anything won't happen because how you think him gone up there in the heat?
Honey, you know say most of them problems that will take place in a life, it comes from the parents.
I am glad you know that,
It
honey.
comes from the parents, you know, because if me they shut him down when he come to me with that argument there, he wouldn't have no bucket if he have the rage if
To go up there, that is true.
So it start from the parents them. So if the parents them give good advice to their children, things wouldn't transpire to
how it is now. And look at it now, honey. You tell him to go ahead. So him go and look at me like I am the bad sheep here, you know. Him go and like say I don't want to own the child. But I was looking at it to say that him go in another person relationship. So you know him hate me now. So now both of us talk together. We have to sit down and talk to our son to let him know that it is wrong. But anyhow, it turns out if Jeremiah find out that it's his child and decide that he don't want anything to do with it, we have to help him. Me mean like tell him to go and look at work because me not minding any grand picnic. I am not going to mind any big boy or big girl grand picnic. You understand what I'm saying? So we are going to sit down and talk to him and let him know what can happen. And me don't know if you don't listen to me.
Honey?
So you have to be the one to talk to him when him get back.
But remember say me I go for brother and they go help him do some work.
Oh my God. So I would have to talk to him.
So when him come, you sit down and talk with him. So if him not listen when me come now, we start it out.
And I hope he listens.
That's true.
I hope him listen because these things that is happening nowadays where picnic take up things from them head, you know. We have to be serious as parents, and when we see the green lights, see say them head a chip, we do something about it. Yeah, because if them go ahead and do what they are doing, it's not going to be a pretty outcome, and at the end of the day, both of us is going to end up with a problem.
Honey, I go just run go for brother Andy and come back.
Yeah? Alright, I'll sit down here and wait until he gets done. And I'm just praying that him not do nothing wrong up there.
That's true. No.
Alright? Alright, take it easy now, my husband.
Oh boy, this is a situation here heavy.
I can't believe what really they happened to me at all. Lord God, me I feel it fear. Me nobody want Tanya at all because me no want no problem. Take me more what they take me no man. God Almighty, what man? What make this happy happen to me?
Honey.
Yes, baby.
So you really are going to get your mother go spend some time?
You know hear me say me have to go down there. Pastor Rose said Dopey don't kill the pitney, so me have to go down there go Tanya. You deaf?
Honey, come sit down. Maybe pack up your clothes.
No, I mean, no want to sit down. You sit down there. Sit down and tap picture thing. But me can't believe what Pastor Rose said to me.
Honey, so you're going to leave me alone up here?
You're not alone. I will be in your hand. You don't want me save myself on the bikini. You can't turn the chat.
Honey, so like how your mother have a spare room down there. Why you not make with us go down there?
No, me can't do that so sudden. You think we can go people here this go show up so?
But your mother place, honey.
I don't care. Me can't this guy you go down there so. Me would have to tell her and me never tell her. So nobody come with that right now. Me wants to be alone by myself. Because me can't process what Pastor Rose said to me. Say, Dopey want kill the pitney. But who would I really want kill with pitney do, honey?
Why? We're living in a serious world.
Oh, God, honey. Me not really want to go down there, you know.
Honey, here, what go happen, honey, right?
Yes.
When you go down there, you tell your mother, so tonight, we take little clothes and come down there.
Lord God, you're determined, man. What wrong with you? After me go down there, go tangle bit me, we find out from her if you can't come here, yeah?
But baby, you know that me can't sleep alone. I have to be by your side.
Oh God, me know say you love me and you're picking it, but you don't understand what is happening. Honey, Pastor Rose say if me want to leave me and the picking we feel run for we life.
Yes, honey.
And that is what me doing.
Make it three of us run then, honey.
Lord have mercy, no! Then if you run back at me, who don't turn at the dopey, we not full up here. You not understand? Honey, me can't bother with the one problem, you know.
So when you come back, honey?
I don't know. I kill you want kill me, have me and your picnic.
Honey, we in a relationship, but you tell me say you don't know when you come back.
Me not talk too long, me this a good on the baby about a week or less than a week. Give me the time for myself now. Why you dey try to stress me out?
So why me can't come down there even 1 and 2 times come look for you and my child? You honey?
Because me no feel say the right thing, cause me don't know where the dopey they come from. Me don't know if somebody send it from for your side, so me dey tend to myself a little bit. Me can't take it whole heap of problem, you know. Me can't take it problem, and if you don't dey bally, you know. Me don't know what me will do to myself, you know.
Alright, honey, but make
dry up your tears, them and a ball to make me stress on myself.
Alright, honey, then make sure you call me every day.
Then you
say you're alright.
You know say me they go call you. Talk like you know say you spoil so. The matter with the inner coming now why you picnic come here spoil you know.
You want me to take care of the bug?
No, me no want nobody help me right now. Me dey on a deep meditation. Me no want nobody help me. Me dey try to think about something. Because you're there in a miserable yourself and you don't understand say Pastor Rose say trouble in the camp. And you sit down there about you want to come down so me can't process things in my head good say cause you the boss.
Something just come to me thinking, right? Why you not make we go up on my mother yard then? Where we can spend some time together. Cause me know say, remember say me have a room up there, you know. So instead of you go down to your mother yard where me can't come or whatsoever, make we just go up at mommy yard.
You know say you's a madman.
You gotta take up some clothes.
Hello, sit down. You're mad, you know? You know say you're mad. You know hear me say Pastor Rose say me feel good on me in my yard. So if me take up myself go for my yard, the dopey no don't come up the dead for sure you say you're man not spiritual enough. So me have to go away for me my day. We full of Holy Ghost to rebuke the devil that you know can't touch me pitney. You there me go along with me there. The time me did they argue with me when don't change and me now about that change you know. Make it pitney time too. Cause you look like you want to spoil the pitney already.
Alright, honey, when you reach you call me and
You know hear me say me don't call you. Give me a kiss from you. Me not like when you go on cause you know no sense you know. Good idiot. The pitney now go nowhere. Talk like I say me they go left you. Me now run left you cause you is me man forever.
Alright, honey.
Give me a chops too. I love you.
Love you too, honey.
No matter Fred for me, eh?
Safe journey, honey.
Aye. Lord God, me say me sorry for poor Jeremiah, you know. Me then want to do him them a sin thing, you know. And me say the man don't even have no sense we see say sitting wrong. Boy, love really blind. Me feel bad, you know. Me don't know how for pitney. Me only have to wait until it's a bikini a band before me can say how for pitney. And me then want to do him them a sin thing, you know. Oh God. And me tell Harold him say me da go good down and me ma so he can come look for me. Suppose Jeremiah come down there too. Me no know what will take place with what they go along right now, you know. Lord help me, Jesus. I don't know what me do to me poor self. And when me go down there, what me do tell me, ma say. If me go tell mommy what they happen, hey, mommy nah go agree with this, you know. Doggone me supper. Hey, me not even know exactly what me they go say to mommy say, you know. Anything what happen. A Jeremiah in me sorry for. You see all of what me and him go through and me do him desire. Oh, me fool, sir. Eh? Oh, me so stupid. Me don't even know what me they go do. But anyway, anyhow it turn out at this, so he go.
Simple as that. Me can't do nothing right now. All me have to do, I just be careful and cock out me and save me anything. If anybody chat nothing what me feel say, I know, so me not tell them say a lie.
Lord.
Daddy.
Errol? Errol? Your father not here. Come here.
Oh, no, mommy.
I'd like to have a word with you, honey.
Yeah.
Come and sit down in the chair. So what happened when you go by Josiah's house?
Mommy talk to her, mommy.
And what she says?
Mommy, me and her come to an agreement. You know, but I go to the husband, you know.
That's very good. Me and your father was talking when you leave, you know. And we decided that if the truth come out and it's your picnic, you would take care of your child. But that is only if Jeremiah don't want the picnic.
Mom, I don't like talk to you with them conversation, you know. I prefer talk to my father.
Well, your father is not here because your father gonna do something with Andy. So I am talking to you as your mother. And I'm saying that the way how you leave this morning wasn't the right way. That wasn't respectable at all. Because I don't grow you like that.
But me tell you, say, me I go tell the man, say, I might pick the mommy and I the way you go on like, say, me not fit talk.
I did not say you mustn't talk. Don't say that. And let me tell you something. There are ways that people do things. Sometimes it's not what you say is the problem, you know. It's how you say it. And the way how you talked to me this morning, it wasn't appropriate. I didn't grow you like that. I didn't grow you like that. Is how I grow you.
No, mommy.
You can't be so disrespectful. So what? So every picnic must grow up boogie yaga in them time here. Eh?
No, mommy.
Nothing is wrong with what you say to me. It's the way how you put it. Because I could not agree with you to go up there, go tell the man, say, the picnic and the gut is yours. Because by right, remember that the child, the girl is the man woman, you know. And you take a little piece off of it, right?
Mommy, I'm my woman, mommy. After I'm never there, I'm in the prison, mommy.
God of Daniel. How many times I'm supposed to lick sense in your head, young man? How many times you never did know say it's the man and the woman there?
Mommy, you don't really understand them things, you know. That's why I prefer talk to daddy, you know.
Oh my God.
You don't really understand, mommy. This is a man-to-man conversation. Actually, you is a woman, mommy. You are going to
look for it for that woman way, yeah.
Yes, mommy.
But look here. How would you feel if you have your woman and somebody come tell us, say, the picnic and the gut is mine? To you, you know. How would you feel?
I mean, that feel bad. I never look on it another way.
And how you don't take it if somebody just come to you and the man come to you, you know, and tell us that the picnic for me, and oh, you don't feel. You're war.
Yes,
So, oh, you have to go up on the man. That's what I was trying to say to you. That you cannot do things like that. And there are place and ways to do things. There are certain time when I do things and there's a certain time I don't do it. You have to wait until, if anything, when it comes out now, and your sister the picnic favor you, that is what I would encourage you. Me not tell us don't take care of your picnic, and that time you can go to the man and say this is what happened and you're sorry about it and whatever. More than if you go up there right now, go. The man just come out of prison a couple months ago. And the man glad and excited to say him get a picnic with him woman. Eh? And you ever just go up there now go do that?
Yes, mommy, but when you say female woman and female woman to mommy.
Boy, me I tell you, all the picnic head tough son nowadays. Oh, don't lick on the head with stone. On the numbness. Learn to have sense and look beyond what you can see with your naked eye. Look further than what you can see with your eyes. So now, stop talking about your woman. The man come out. And him and the woman live together. You feel say woman love you more than only love you, man?
Yes, mommy, she tell me so.
You mad. She only tell us if you feel good. You don't say I behave like a madman. Leave people, woman, alone. I am not going to be one of the parents to encourage you to go mash up people's life. You ever hear about what goes around comes around? You come out with torture you when you're ready to settle down and relax with your woman. Leave people business alone. Them have a song for say, so leave it alone. It's not your business. It already happened. Leave it as it is now, son. Take my foolish advice.
So you are tell me something for the leave Josiah?
Let her alone, I know you're a woman. My mother...
I'm my woman, mommy, but the picnic can be my...
I said wait until the picnic born, because the picnic soon born. Then you will know if the mouth long or the mouth short. So when your sister it favor you, then you can say, well, alright, I want to go ahead and talk to the man. Because the man knows sister the picnic don't feel me either.
So you will help me pay for your DNA test, mommy?
I will help you. I will help you. But learn to listen in life. You hear what I said to you, young man?
Yes,
not because you're a big man and you're all bush up everywhere. That simply means that because you bush up everywhere, nobody can talk to you. Always remember this. Don't want a little baby can correct you, and it's true. You hear what I said? Don't work upon your ego. You see the word for ego, and you're in a ego now because you want one picnic. Humble yourself and you will be exalted, the Bible says. You hear what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
And I grow you up better than what you are showing me and showing other people. And be respectful in life no matter where you reach in life. Be respectful. You hear them say manners carry you through the world? It is true. Them say money carry you through the world, but listen to me.
I know nowadays manners not carry through the world or links, you know, ma'am.
Links, manners can carry you through the world too. It still carry you through the world. Alright. You hang on pan where you hang on pan, me not fighting you.
Ma'am,
alright?
when me a going because Josiah tell me say must meet her down her mother yard, you know, so.
My God, you're still determined. You still determined. Well, here you know, your plan cancel in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I guess more. Me I send you go to shop right now. More you go down to the shop, go buy.
My...
Me don't care if your mama. I want to go down to the shop, go buy one chicken and buy some rice and peas. I want coconut powder. Me I cook some food for you. You want it curry or fry?
Me like eat on Josiah, man.
You're not going to eat down there. It's not your home. It's not your home. Well, alright, I can see you make up your mind to do whatever you want to do. But here you know, go down to the shop, go buy what me tell you to buy. It's up to you right now. I already tell you that this is what you should do and you decide to do what you want to do. It's okay. Hard yes, pitney always feel. You hear what me have to say?
Man, so you couldn't just go buy something where you do?
Get up, get up, get up from before me. Get up from before me. That's how wrong nowadays with uno pick no don't take telling. But one thing me have to tell you. Anything you sow in life, that you go reap.
Mommy! Mommy! Oh, you want a which breeze blow you up your picnic, girl? Me say me dey come look for me mother. You never hear me dey call you out the door. You know say me is lazy from a long time and now it start to give me problem. You is a give you problem, me under deep distress. What kind of deep distress you could have in a picnic, girl? Me when they give Jeremiah bun with Errol and me no know how for picnic. What you saying to me, Josiah? How you so workless? You mean to tell me say your man dey in prison and you do this to him? How you find yourself in this situation, young girl? Because when Jeremiah did there prison, him did give me something for him, so that's the reason why this happened. When I try fi pop off before Jeremiah come out, but he decide say nah left me, so me no know how for picking and he make me so frustrated. How you mean to tell me say you're doing man for sitting for Niam? How you worthless so little girl? Imagine you have me your good mama trying hard you sitting for girl for Niam, you go to man for that? You know say you are idiot. Me look like me an idiot, mommy. Me just never want to depend on you. Me never want to stress you out and it just happen. And me come down here because me tell you say me stress out and me want you to help me and tell me what to do about it. Well, the best thing right now for you do is to tell Jeremiah about it. You sure say the picnic for Errol anyway? Me don't know who for picnic and me can't tell Jeremiah nothing because he love me, man.
Well, all you have to do is wait until when the picnic born you do a DNA test. And when you do the DNA test, you will know who for picnic. And one thing me have to tell you, you better make every hole in corner because you cannot let Jeremiah find out this, you know. Because me don't know how he would manage.
Me tell Errol say fi hole in corner and he say nah hold none. He say want him picking and he want him woman and me tell him say me don't want him and he say he go explode everything.
Explode everything? I must say Bama. What if he explode it and when he come to the last test, is Jeremiah picnic? And one thing me have to tell you now, I would have served you know, because it would be a disgrace if everybody feel know what happened.
And that me dey pray fi happen. And that me dey pray fi happen fi make sure Jeremiah pitney because me don't want no pitney with Errol.
Why? You put yourself in a sticky situation. I don't know how you're gonna come out of it. But by the way, how long you plan to stay down here because you're not staying down here for long, you know? Oh,
me don't know how long me plan fi tan because right now see the Jeremiah say want come down here and me tell him say in fi tan and yard. Me want time for myself.
how you mean to tell your husband say he cannot come down here? You're very out of order. You don't feel say don't suspect that something is wrong?
He love me too much so he not go suspect nothing.
Take up your bag and go on in your room. You let me down big time.
No know what this had happen to me.
I don't know what wrong with you, young girl. Eh? Look at the kind of dirty trouble you can't come put on in my house. What a disgrace. Eh? Look what you made happen in the village. Well, one thing me have to tell you, say, if you think me don't cover up for you, you wrong. You wrong. The man gone to jail and the two of them live so good you couldn't wait. You don't talk about because of food make you go there with him. And you don't know he's who for picnic. Eh? Imagine. Look all what the young boy go through for you. And that the man go through for you. Wanna know young the two of them run up and down with police or all kind of something and just because he got jail you come back you come gonna look at you now no sense. Now when the man come out the man have to go face them a disgrace and judgment upon him. All me have to tell you you go stand your hand.
Ethic alongside this PETRA. Up and Christ to them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me feel the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
See the river just run through your bone. Me I praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me not give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now, clear the